Hi everyone, I'm here with my very first hashtag Fun Card Friday. This is hosted by Toni, Creative Chickahawks and Crafts, and Kelly Santee Designs here on YouTube. I will tag both of these ladies down below and put links to their channels. They have an open collab every Friday where you can come on and post or share a birthday card. I mean, any kind of card that you make. I particularly made 2 birthday cards this week, and I love making cards. So this collab is like right up my alley. It's also a good way to get a stash of cards to keep. So when you do have a birthday or an event or a holiday coming up, you'll have cards ready. So thanks, Toni and Kelly, for coming up with such a fun collab. I have 2 birthday cards that I made using an Anna Griffin kit. And this one is Flower Card Craft Box. Everything is in here. The papers, the dies, the sentiments, everything except for glue and tape is in here. So I love Anna Griffin. I love her card kits. They're amazing. And this is a new one that I just picked up in January, so I can't wait to, I've made 2 cards so far. I can't wait to make more. This was such a fun kit. And once you get your pieces cut out, they come together pretty good. So this is an easel card, and it has an awning, and I put a butterfly up top. All these beautiful flowers are like 3D, they own dimensionals. I did add the flat back pearl that was not in the kit, but the colors are just so gorgeous, and I love the fact that it's an easel card and it sits up. So that was the first one. It says happy birthday. Here's another one. I put happy birthday. I didn't put the awning up here because the flag was too big. And I did add more flat back pearls on this one. And this one pops up and says, I love you bunches. Just love the papers, guys. These papers are so gorgeous. And on the back, it's double-sided paper, so it's real pretty. And this one, I put my sticker. This one's going to go to a crafty YouTube friend, and this one's going to go to my cousin. So I hope they will enjoy them. I love making them. And I hope you guys like too. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you, Kelly. Thank you, Toni, for such a fun open collab. And I hope to be able to participate as often as I can. So thanks for watching, everyone. Bye for now.